the TSX axle snap.
What is going on, guys? It's your boy Rich. Thank you for tuning into this vlog. This is where I announce the giveaway winners, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for all your support. Some crazy shit's been going on. Some more things with the TSX. We actually popped out to our car shows, 2 of them back to back, and we broke down, ironically. Stay tuned, you may be seeing a teaser of that, but it's definitely funny. But your boy always overcomes, and we make things better, and we turn it into content. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Please watch through the whole thing. It's pretty cool. You guys get to see the Florida car scene, you get to see the TSX driving, and the shit that happens. So thank you for all your support, nonetheless. Shout out to all you guys for tuning into the giveaway and entering your submissions. I greatly appreciate your support. It means a lot. There was a lot of submissions this time. So yeah, thank you so much, and just watch the video through. Just leave a like, helps me out, helps us to grow. Better giveaways in the future. Peace. We are here for the giveaway. Thank you guys for all your submissions and all your support. This is just a little give back to you. Quite a bit of... Oh shit. Hold on. Wait, we didn't start yet. Shit, I didn't mean to click it, but I was showing you guys how many submissions and stuff. My bad. Like the first little giveaway I did way earlier, it wasn't this many. And I'm just grateful to see how many people actually supporting, leaving comments, and just interacting. So thank you guys so much. This is what it's all about. Can't wait to do more and even better ones in the future. Let me shuffle a couple times. This is fair, man. It ain't no bullshit. I ain't playing no games. That's why I asked if you guys wanted it on a vlog or, on live. Then you guys mentioned, different time zones, and not everyone could, tune in. So it made sense, and I'm just trying to keep it as real as possible. First winner is going to be getting the shift knob from Heel Toe, the Mavin, or Carceps one. It's like 60 bucks or something like that. We'll talk on if you're auto, manual, which version you want and whatnot. Alright, let's go on and click finally. Who's the first winner? Oh, infamous, you were almost there. Seal. C-I-E-L. I don't even remember typing that, to be honest. I'm gonna write it down. Pretty sure it's someone, so I'm gonna write that down. Congrats to you for winning. You're the first winner. Now I'm gonna remove, because I'm not gonna win again. Let's do another shuffle. Let's see. Who's the second winner? Rocco Carino. You are the winner of whatever clothing custom you want, like hoodie, t-shirt, sweatshirt, sweatpants, whatever, and a Rish bundle. It's gonna be a t-shirt, whatever color you want with Rish in the middle, and I could also do that pretty much any color you want as well. And it's gonna be a couple free stickers and a keychain. So big shout out to you. Thank you for your support. Congrats for winning, being the second winner. Remove you. Write that down. The third winner is going to be receiving my TSX. It's like, I'm just kidding. This TSX, it's almost there, This beautiful Euro R white TSX. Big shout out to Laura for supplying this. It was actually a gift for me, but since I already have one and a blue one, it was like, it's for the subscribers. So make sure you guys put, shout out to Laura for this, and whoever wins this, leave a thank you for them. Alright, let's shuffle again. Who's going to be the winner? The Flown. Oh, I ain't gonna say that. I thought it was the Flown Son. But yeah, I ain't gonna say that. Big shout out to you, man, for winning this beautiful TSX. It's gonna be sitting on your shelf, your computer desk, maybe in your car, who knows. But big shout out to you. Write your name down. I don't know exactly how you pronounce that, so I ain't gonna even try. Get this out the way. Let's remove you. Shuffle. So the fourth winner is going to be the Hybrid Racing detent springs. It helps with more precise shifting. It's for manuals, so if you're auto, sorry, you could give it to a buddy that it's a manual, sell it, shuffle. It's going to be the fourth winner. this boy Kiex. I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm sorry guys if I'm pronouncing things wrong, but you are the winner. Big shout out to you for your support. Thank you. It's cool for some people just to even win something in a giveaways on just little platforms of whatever, because you never even think you're gonna win, or you think it's bullshit, or whatever the case may be, or you're just never lucky because a bunch of other submissions. You guys have a good percentage. So I'm gonna shuffle. The fifth winner is going to be these dual color fog lights. Big shout out to you, Lauro, again for supplying these. Made a video on these. I have them on my TSX because it's pretty cool. 3000K gold and 3500K white. So it's pretty cool. Looks nice, and it's the yellows for race time or whatever. Let people know that you're trying to make some runs. Yeah, let's shuffle it up. And who's going to be the lucky winner? Who's going to be the lucky winner? Damn, that was like right in the middle between the two. VTech kick in. Yeah, man, you gotta let that VTech rock. So big shout out to you, man. VTech kick in, exclamation point. Thank you for your comment and for your support. You're the fifth winner and the final winner. I really hope to do more giveaways in the future. When I'm in a better position financially, whatever the case may be, I'll be able to do some things bigger and maybe work with different companies so it's bigger products. Yeah, if we continue to support and growing, anything's possible, but we've been doing great. So thank you guys for all your support. Alrighty, y'all. So, as you can tell, we outside. The TSX is gonna pop out for the first time at a car show. My homie Ralphie and his buddy, they host it. It's a little event kind of thing, vendors and food trucks and all sorts of stuff. So, it'll be a good time. And I might record a little bit, show you guys around and whatnot. Yeah, let's go. Definitely feel like I maybe have a little bit of exhaust leak for my headers or something like that. Maybe it needs to get tightened down a little bit more. We'll check that out a little later. Right now we going to the show. Nonetheless, feels good. Maybe I have to re-bleed my clutch a little bit because things are still kind of settling in and whatnot. TSX made it to me. We made it. So maybe I'm gonna do a little walk around and show what there is and whatnot, and then get back to y'all. This truck looks pretty dope, Chevy. And it ain't Florida if you don't got big trucks. Homie Ralphie. Yo, what's going on? So we definitely have a nicer turnout this time. That shit is sick, the GS. Well, let's go kind of down the line, see what we got rocking and whatnot. Gotta do the race flyby. Big old truck thing. You already know, man. You already know, got the TSX right there. Yeah. They parked me along with all the other white cars, which is pretty nice. Rolla. These are always clean. This is this dude's car. Pretty dope. This is homie Ralphie's car. Benz is tucking. This thing is clean. I like this. It's going crazy with the lip kit and the stickers though. I'm not a fan of crazy stickers. Carbon fiber. I don't know if this wrapper is just actual trunk, but it looks dope. Like red interior. Auto. Got the puppy. Got the puppy. Got the Z. Got the FD right here. Red on red on red. That's a whole lot of red. Lovely NSX. The white looks so hard. Big ass brakes, man. The muscle. We got the muscle over here. We got all the blue accents. I don't know if I feel the wheels or not, but got the Z3, Z4. I'm not too sure. Just look at the Florida vibe, bro. These things are expensive as hell. You gotta have money. You gotta be, TJ Hunt kind of level. Adam LZ. Bunch of vets. God damn, last time over here they had a skunk petting thing. I want to see if they have it again.
Look at that big boy.
C95.
Alrighty, thank you. So there's just a bunch of vendors out here showing off their local businesses and goodies and all that. This guy wants to play. Wait a second. Buddy. Interested in the camera? Oh, he's smiling. Look at that. He's smiling for the camera. So, yeah. That's basically like the vendor area and whatnot. I don't know if you guys can hear me too good. There's like some food stuff over here and vendor shit, or just food over here. I'm not really interested in Jeeps and whatnot, so, you know, the big Jeep area. That guy squatting, Jeep life. And then, you know, all these stuff. So it's just a little hangout time, chill, eat some food, buy some things from local businesses, all that kind of stuff. We seen that at Clearwater or St. Pete's. Sounds mad cool. Literally like a go-kart, man. Full-size go-kart. Miata engine. So this was a Miata, obviously. I like the cage color, how sparkled. Matches the exhaust, the engine bay. It's pretty dope. Doggos. So we ended up heading out from the meet. It was cool, it was chill. Only so much you could really see, walk around, and I'm not trying to, you know, spend all this money and whatnot. It's just kind of expensive. And we don't got it like that right now. So cruising back home, maybe we're gonna grill something up or eat something and just have a good time. The giveaway, hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and shout out to all the winners. Thank you guys so much for all your support. It's been real nice. Cause we out here, we outside, we outside.
Day 2.
Nicer weather. Damn, I should have brought my stabilizer. Already, man, already. Shit's fire. Oh, just mad cars, bro. This is sick. Toyota. There's a lot more cars this time around. Let's show this off. Yankees. 240, S13s, S14s. Got the dildo shift knob. Great, spicy Sylvia. Got all the Corvettes again. This is like a Corvette town, Mopar town. Pretty dope. You got the Lambo right next to it. No crust. This is a wrap. Paint a wrap. I'm sorry how probably bright it is. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Miata, big wing. Poop, look at it. Look at the poop things. The poop side. This should look clean. APR performance. I don't know how I feel about the wing, but nonetheless, still dope. The doggo. The doggo. How you guys feel about those caps? Look at the dogs. If you guys enjoy these kind of videos, let me know in the comments so I could go do more, you know, showing the Florida car scene. I didn't bring my stabilizer or anything like that, so it's all handheld vlog kind of style. Let me know if you guys like it, if you guys want my opinions on the cars type of thing, walk around. I don't know what it may be, just hit me up, let me know. Right, that bird. That shit dumping. What you guys feel about these, man? I love these wagons. I love wagons. I wouldn't mind a TSX one, but this shit is just dope. Dad Mobile sleeper. Like I said, guys, a lot of Mustangs, a lot of Corvettes, a lot of Mopar. Chop, chop, chop. Gotta love that chopping, man. Gotta love it. Tight ball. I like it. I always dig the look with the upper carriage.
You guys want to see in the wagon? It's got a weird bamboo interior. I saw you over there.
Yeah, I love wagons, man. Those are always dope as hell. I was saying that's like a dad's mobile sleeper, and here you are, bro.
What's up, man?
It's just funny as hell. I was literally correct. TSX axle snap. My girl and her stepdad, they went to O'Reilly's, they picked up a new axle. It's like the only thing, you know, available, and I need it. I ain't doing no tows. They just went to the house, picked up all my tools, jack stand, jacks, all that, so I could fucking get this shit squared away again. So, yeah, that's fun. No biggie. Just want to update you guys. Went to my first car shows and broke down, you know. She looked good though, man. She looking good. There's some body work needed, but hey, nonetheless, we outside. The team came back with the tools.
Yeah, shout out to Raphael, by the way, because he just bought the axle for us.
I go with my gut feeling, man.
Yeah.
I should have just swapped it out so I fucking had the damn clamp. Just like that, 15 minutes or whatever, and I got the axle out. Now I pop this O'Reilly's one in. And bear in mind, with the TSXs, you can deal with an aftermarket axle on the driver's side. The passenger one, if you don't have the dampener, that's where it tends to vibrate a lot more, so you notice it. But this is the only thing we had available, and big shout out to Raphael for getting it for us, because yeah, we've been in a pickle a little bit. Alright, should be good to go. It took about 30 minutes. Back in business. Alright, let's go. Nothing stops Rich, you feel me, man? We go to car show, breakdown, and still fixing leaves. So, big shout out to Raphael.
Yes.
Never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see,